Welcome back now. It's time for Midday Sports. Kicking off with football, Reggae Boys winger Demarai says he's fit and ready to face Canada in their crucial CONCACAF Nations League second leg quarter-final match at the BMO Field in Toronto this evening. The match kicks off at 7:30 p.m. Jamaica time. Gray, who missed last Saturday's 2-1 defeat to Canada in the first leg match at the National Stadium due to a leg injury, trained with the squad yesterday.
Physically, I'm alright. Mentally, I'm alright. Obviously, I missed the first game, which was disappointing, but got a challenge now to obviously come back and make a difference, and hopefully I can do that.
The Reggae Boys must score at least 2 goals based on the away goal rule to stand a chance of advancing to the semis. Gray says advancing, as well as playing at next year's Copa America tournament, are very much part of the team's goals.
But most importantly, it's just about winning the game and progressing. Because we need to look long term at future competitions and the plans the manager has for us. And we've got to take it game by game, and tomorrow's the next one.
The quarter-final losers still have a chance to qualify for the Copa America via a single-match elimination play-in in March that will decide the 2 remaining slots for CONCACAF entries. Waterhouse moved atop the Jamaica Premier League standings after a 3-timer from Javane Bryan carried them to a 4-1 win over Very United at the Stadium East Field on Monday night. Bryan opened the scoring in the 9th minute before doubling their advantage in minute 25. And it was 3-0 in the 58th minute when Bryan got his third. Javane Brown got a consolation for Veer in minute 83, but Waterhouse put the finishing touches on the win with a second-half stoppage-time strike from Jaheim Dorman. Waterhouse moved to 10 points with the win, while Veer remained 8th on 5 points. Tivoli Gardens moved up to second place on 9 points after thrashing Humble Lion 4-1 in the opening match. Justin Dunst continued his hot start to the season with a double, scoring minutes 2 and 53 to move his tally to 5 goals for the season. Howard Morris was also at the double, backing goals in first half stoppage time and minute 89. Barrington Price's own goal had earlier handed Humble Lion a lifeline in minute 29. Clarendon College will begin their hunt for a second ever ISA Champions Cup title today as they take on urban area powerhouse St. George's College in the opening match of the competition at the National Stadium. Kickoff is at 5:15. It will be the second match of a double-header at the venue as 2019 winners Kingston College look to get the better of a Dintil team that has never won the competition. 2 matches will also be played in the rural area as Hydel take on Garvey Maceo starting at 3 p.m. at Manchester High, while Mona High play Glenmuir at St. Elizabeth Technical High School, also at 3. The matches were originally scheduled for last Saturday but were postponed due to the inclement weather. And it's still a wait and see as to when the swimmers from the 2022 Curve to Championships in Barbados will receive upgraded medals following the disqualification of results for Jamaican Mackenzie Headley. Headley received a reprimand after her anti-doping hearing for testing positive for banned substances in April and June of last year. A 3-member independent anti-doping disciplinary panel chaired by Georgia Gibson Henlin ruled in July that Headley's results from the Curve to Swim Championships in April and the Caribbean Games in June be disqualified. But 5 months on, ASAJ President Martin Lynn says they're still waiting to hear from Curve to organizers about the reallocation of medals.
Very clearly is that WADA sent us a notice and sent us various correspondence, but they also sent that to the host country, and we have yet to hear from the host country as to what they want us to do. So the ASAJ can't make a move until the host country of the Caribbean Games tell us and guide us as to what they would want us to do. And so that is where we are.
Headley won the 50-metre butterfly in a record 27.79 seconds, with Jamaica's Zanita Alvarenga finishing second in 28 seconds flat. It would mean Alvarenga would be promoted to the gold medal position. Headley also helped Jamaica to 3 relay gold and 1 silver medal, and got silver in the 50-metre free and 100-metre breaststroke, and bronze in the 50 free and 100 fly. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.